Hello everyone, my name is Nikki, I'm a saxophone player. I decided to start with my video series about how to play saxophone for beginners. So if you really want to learn how to play it and you're a beginner, here is the right place to start from. The first part of the saxophone is not really part of the instrument, but it's an important part of the process of playing saxophone. It's called neck strap. The neck strap is a link between your body and your instrument, and its main purpose is to move the load from your hands so you can play freely and easily. The way to use the neck strap is just like this. You put it on your neck, then you attach your instrument to it, just like this, and then you're good to go. Your hands are free and you just only have to think about what am I going to play now. The first real part of the saxophone I will start with is the body of the saxophone. It's the biggest part of the instrument, this one with all the holes and bottoms and so on. So the body of the saxophone is also the part which you attach to your neck strap. So here is the place. Almost every saxophone has this one. Actually, every saxophone has its own hole to attach. The next part of the saxophone is called neck. It looks like this and it attaches to the body like this. So body, neck, two parts of the saxophone. Next part of the saxophone which I want to show you is called mouthpiece. The mouthpieces looks like this one, and sometimes they are made of metal, sometimes they are made of some plastic materials. The most important about the mouthpiece is that it is the part of the instrument which we are putting in our mouthpiece. The mouthpiece, this one, connects to the neck of the saxophone, this one. So when you connect it, it looks like this. Next part, a very important part of the saxophone, which I want to show you, is called reed. Reed. The reeds are normally made of wood and sometimes they are plastic. This one, for example, is plastic, so made of some plastic stuff, but it works. So the most important thing is about the reed is that it is actually the part of the saxophone which produces the sound. So to see what I'm talking about, we are just going to connect the reed to the mouthpiece. For this, we will need this ligature just to fix the parts one to another. So now, when you connected the reed, it's ready to produce a sound like this. And there is only one more part left of the saxophone, but it's really important. It's the cup. The cup of the mouthpiece is really important because the reeds are really easy to break. So if you don't want to break your reeds and buy a new one, just use a cap. Normally, if you go and buy some mouthpiece, they will give you a cup for free. Well, let's make a short overview of the things we've learned from this video now. First, we know what is neck strap. Yes? Second thing, we know what is body, the body of the saxophone. We have the neck, the mouthpiece, the reed, everything is on its place. And now let's just create our working saxophone like this. And in my next tutorial I will show you how to start with your first sounds.